You could try the end of the line.
What did you say?
Just that someone as smart as you should definitely go first.
I didn't mean to. I was just asking.
This is the right bus, Twilight. Go ahead.
But I didn't mean to cut in front.
Well, it's too late now.
Oh, sorry. Why don't you go ahead?
You are such a sweetie! I am watching you.
Gonna take you down.
Well, that's just marvelous! If you want to lose before we even start.
Each competitor must hit a bullseye before their teammates can start the next leg of the relay.
Wow, that's just fantastic!
You have to stop aiming at the target.
Oh, that makes perfect sense. Don't aim at the target. Thanks so much.
You have to stop aiming at where the target is and aim at where the target's gonna be.
Yeah, definitely take advice from the person you're competing against! Actually, we're all to blame. Mostly it was her.